Here is another question from one of our viewers, and I know it might sound extremely simple to some of you, but to others this video could make all the difference in the world. And I understand because I remember when I didn't know how to do this stuff. Which takes us to the reason why I made the video, and that is to figure out how to add a nosing measurement, maybe 1 inch nosing to a curved step. So let's go ahead and take a look at our stairway here that does not have a nosing on it. See, no nosing. And then we have a stairway with a nosing. And our nosing has a 1 inch projection. And I believe 1.25 inches is the maximum, but you'd have to check with your local building department. And in order to calculate that, all I'm going to do is add 1 inch to each one of my measurements here that represent the radius of each one of the steps. And the 2 steps are going to have a 12-inch depth on them, obviously. And I believe this is where it got confusing to the person asking the question. They were under the impression that they would add 1 inch to the first one, which would be a measurement of 25 inches. And then add 12 inches to that measurement plus another inch. And that's not what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to simply just add 1 inch to each one of the radius measurements. And in our example here, we're going to have a 2 foot 1 inch measurement from the center point of the circle to the furthest measurement of the outside or front of the stair step nosing. And then we're going to do the same thing with these 2 measurements, 3 foot 1, 4 foot 1. So you're just simply going to add the length of your nosing to each one of the radius measurements of your circular shaped stairway. And you can always grab a piece of plywood and draw the curved shapes you need if you're going to create a template for each one of your stair steps. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.